So this is day 6 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business question in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous videos, just go on my channel and watch that. In today's question, you will learn how we calculate growth percentage in Power BI using DAX formulas. So be with me and open your Power BI and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage here. Let me connect the data from my PostgreSQL database. So let me search here for the PostgreSQL. Okay, now let's connect. For the server name, I'm giving here localhost, and for the database name, it's 100 question series. And click here on OK. As you can see, my database has been connected here. We get these two tables like product and sales. Let's load it to Power BI. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. Okay, so don't worry about that. Let it load. It will take a moment to load the data to Power BI. So be with me here. Yeah, so our data has been loaded. As you can see, we get these two tables here like product and sales. So this is our product table here. In this table, we have these two columns like product ID and product name. And in the sales table, we have these four columns here like sale ID, product ID, sale date, and quantity. So now let me show you the data model view here within these two tables. So the relationship is been already built here. This is one-to-many relationship. The cardinality is one-to-many. It's been connected on the basis of product ID, as you can see here. Okay, so this is our fact table and this is our dimension table here. Now let me show you the question that I'm going to solve today in this video. So let's open this report view now. And this is day 6 of 100 business question series in Power BI. And the question for today is show a visual comparison of product sales growth from Q1 to Q2 2024 and highlight those with greater than 20% increase. Okay, so let's start the question now. We have to show the product which sales has increased greater than 20% as compared to Q1 in Q2 2024. Okay, for that purpose, firstly, I'm going to create two measures here for Q1 sales and Q2 sales. Okay, so let's start that. So this is for Q1 sales. And calculate sum of quantity. Okay, for the filter purpose, I'm going to use here sale date is greater than equal to date 2024 and month will be January 1st and sale date is less than equal to date 2024. It's March 31st. Okay, so let's run this query now. So this measure has been created here for Q1 sales. Let's copy this. And now create another measure here for Q2 sales. Okay, so let's paste here and change the name and the date here. The Q2 starts from April 1st till 30th of June. Okay, so let's run this query here. And now I'm going to create a measure which will calculate the growth percentage in Q2 and within Q2 and Q1. Okay, so let's start that. It's a growth percentage. Growth percent. So for that, I'm going to use divide here. For the numerator, I'm going to use Q2 sales minus Q1 sales. Okay, and for the denominator, I'm going to use Q1 sales. And for the errors, let's take a 0 and multiply by 100. Let's run this query here. Now I'm going to create a visual here. So for that purpose, I'm taking this clustered column chart here. If you want, you can take also matrix. This matrix here, it will also good for that this visuals. But I'm going to take clustered column chart. It's my favorite. Okay, so on the x-axis, let's take our product name. And on the y-axis, let's take it as growth percentage. Okay. Now let me show you the data labels here first. And increase the font size here. Okay. Now Let me increase the size of x-axis and y-axis here. Now we want to show those products whose sales is increased greater than 20%. Okay, so now use filter here. In growth percentage, let's take a greater than and write here 20%. Okay, and apply filter. Now let me close this pan here. So our output is ready for this question. We have created this visual here which is showing the products which sales growth is greater than 20% as compared to quarter 1 in quarter 2. Okay, so as you can see, the rice bag is increased by 60%, laptop is increased by 50%, and t-shirt is increased by 50% as compared to quarter 1 in quarter 2 sales. Okay, so this is all about today's question. So if you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. So let's wrap this video now. I hope guys this video will really put an impact in your Power BI learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.